Are you looking for the best PC case fans? In this video we will look at some of the best quiet keyboards on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. CoolerMaster SickleFlow 120 ARGB. ARGB lighting effects. The 120mm ARGB SickleFlow fan, 16.7 million colors, features translucent blades, which diffuse light evenly across the fan 3-pin ARGB, and is fully compatible with ARGB motherboards. Upgraded blade design. The latest air balance fan blades are both larger and more curved than their predecessors and deliver even better airflow, 62 CFM, and pressure, 2.5 mm H2O. Case and cooler ready. Due to their hybrid blade design, SickleFlow fans are an excellent choice for cases with obstructed airflow, extra air pressure, or for CPU heatsinks and radiators that have widely spaced fins, or outdated fans. Reinforced frame. The 120mm square housing has been updated with additional rib support which improves mechanical efficiency while dampening vibration and noise. 827B. New bearing sealant. The rifle bearing features a two-tier sealing mechanism to protect against dust and leakage, thereby improving durability, 160,000 mttf, and outperforming competitors in its fan bearing class. 650 1800 RPM. Number 2. Noctua NF-S12B Redux 1200 PWM. High performance cooling fan, 120 by 120 by 25, 12V, 4-pin PWM, max. 1200 RPM, max. 18.1 decibels A, greater than 150,000 hours mttf airflow optimized blade design with high CFM and outstanding quietness of operation, ideal for low noise case cooling, chassis ventilation and other applications with low airflow resistance. 1200 revolutions per minute 4-pin PWM version with excellent balance of performance and quietness. Supports automatic motherboard speed control, powerful airflow when required, virtually silent at idle, streamlined Redux edition, proven Noctua quality, wide range of optional accessories, anti-vibration mounts, SAT adapters, Y-splitters, extension cables, etc. Number 3. Kaze Flex 120 PWM, 1200 RPM. User self-contained liquid bearing, sealed precision FDB. The bearing and the spindle are made of high-quality compressed metal and are lubricated by a special oil film resistant to temperatures of up to 250 C degrees, 480 F degrees. This drastically reduces friction, ensuring smooth operation and reduced wear, which results in an average lifespan of 120,000 hours. Included vibration and shock-absorbing rubber pads which cover the tunless mounting holes. These decouplers effectively eliminate possible vibrations and allow low noise operation. High airflow with low noise contribution as quiet case fan dimension, 120 by 120 by 25 mttf. 120,000 hours. Number 4. CoolerMaster MasterFan MF120. Silent cooling technology, a mixture of noise reduction technology and sound absorbing materials, offering peaceful cooling solution even when under load. Dual loop addressable Gen 2 RGB lighting, individually controlled addressable Gen 2 RGB LEDs with dual loop design to ensure the most vibrant display of color. New addressable Gen 2 RGB compatible with major motherboards, featuring addressable Gen 2 RGB. Addressable Gen 2 RGB works in sync with CoolerMaster's Master++ software and addressable Gen 2 RGB controller, allowing customization of each individual LED's color, effect, brightness and more, all from an intuitive, convenient interface. Hybrid fan blade design, air balance fan blade combined with wave shape blades. inspired by jet engine and helicopter blade, gives your system static air pressure without compromising airflow. Number 5. Dynamic bearing, LED RGB PWM fan, performance engineered. These PWM static pressure fans are designed with a chamfered intake and exhaust that boost overall airflow and pressure. Uniquely shaped, custom engineered light guide creates stunning visual effects, with uniform light dispersion. Winglet tips. Winglet designed fan blades minimize drag and further enhance fan performance. Fluid dynamic bearing. Using patented fluid dynamic bearings FDB made of copper, FDB are designed to maintain consistent lubrication, reducing bearing noise. Disclaimer: RGB fan and controller required. Sold separately.